वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। जय श्री गणेश, जय श्री गणेश, जय श्री गणेश। हेलो, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय सच्चिदानंद जी
To all, I Kanav Gupta welcome you all to my YouTube channel Kanav Art Center. So today we'll talk about Creta Colors graphite powder and Brustos artist compressed charcoal powder they use, which we had discussed in the part 1. I will give you the link in the description below. So something like this we had worked upon, testing graphite powder and charcoal powder with tissue paper, brush and blending stump. So for part 2 we had promised that we will test these three tools with the graphite pencil, and here we'll test the charcoal pencil with these three tools. Let's go. My tools are ready: tissue paper, blending stump and different brushes, and the pencils which are the hero of today's video are Camlin Soft charcoal pencil and Staedtler's 2B graphite pencil. So let's give the base layer with the graphite pencil. It is also the inexpensive way to do it. You don't need the Staedtler pencil, you can try with any other cheaper 2B pencil. This portion will blend with the blending stump. And finally, here we will be testing with the tissue paper. At the bottom, let's give base layers with charcoal pencil to test it with the different blending tools. Let's take this area for the blending stump, and here we will blend it with tissue paper, and later we'll see what's the difference. So it's time for blending. Here I've got a little makeup brush, this little one. So this is the result of blending graphite pencil with the brush. Now time to see graphite powder versus graphite pencil by blending it with blending stump. So like blending stump has got the trademark quality due to its roughness, that it leaves a texture in its blending, and like brush is semi-soft itself, it has 50% smoothness and 50% texture. So wherever you need a little roughness in your base layer and you think texture is like this, like tough cloth, jackets, etc., and not smooth like skin, then you can go with blending stump. So turn for my all-time favorite, blending with the tissue paper. With graphite powder we got that look. Now let's see what we get in the graphite pencil. So as you can see, very true to its nature, tissue paper itself is very soft and it gives a result that is very smooth and soft in nature, as you can see. So whatever the smooth areas you have got in your sketch, like skin or blurred backgrounds or very light base or value you have to give, then tissue is a go ahead. This is the result of graphite pencil and tissue paper. Quite similar it is with the graphite powder and tissue paper look. Let's talk about the combination of charcoal pencil and brush. Let's see what result it gives. So see the result of brush with charcoal powder versus brush and charcoal pencil. You can very much judge on your own what's the difference. So as true to its nature, brush has given a semi-soft result. Some pencil lines are also visible, so it's a semi-soft blending. So this was the result of blending with blending stump and charcoal powder, and let's see what it gives with charcoal pencil. Blending stump as usually has its trademark texture, not very smooth, not very harsh. 80% it is smooth and 20% it is harsh. Charcoal powder was very dark, but over here with charcoal pencil, the blending stump has picked up some of the pigment and made it a little lighter. So a completely different result we have got in comparison. Here we'll blend charcoal pencil with the tissue paper. I am expecting a very smooth and even tone. So charcoal is very harsh. So see the condition of the tissue paper. We have got some particles also over here. Let's dust it off. So tissue paper picks the most of its pigment. So as I told earlier, it gives a very lighter result. This is a blending of same charcoal pencil with brush, and this one is blending stub and this one is with tissue paper. So as you are smart enough to differentiate and decide, you can decide where to use which pencil or powder and with which tool you need to apply it for what kind of result. So this is the result of graphite powder. This is graphite pencil versus different tools.
This was the part 2 of the video which we made earlier. I'll give you the link in the description below. And if you found the video useful, you can do the basic formalities like subscribing to the channel, liking and commenting on the video, sharing it with your friends and family for whom you think it would be beneficial. So this is Kanav Gupta and my channel is new, so I need your love and support. So it will give me motivation to keep on creating these useful videos. And now I'll take your permission to sign off. Keep creating, keep loving and keep experimenting. Very important. Jai Mata Di.